All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of cryptocurrency news from all over the corners of the world, from everything from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Dogecoin to cryptocurrency mining. Today, we're going to be talking about the tax rules of cryptocurrency, which is trying to be signed into Congress right now. Elon Musk and a few other people are not really on that side, so I'm going to go over that a little bit with you. And then we're going to be talking about the three cryptocurrencies that Elon Musk owns himself, and the two that SpaceX and Tesla owns. So with that, if you can go ahead and hit the like button down here, hit the subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. With that, let's get started. One of the first things we want to go over is BlockFi's new credit card that they're actually giving you Bitcoin as a reward. Can you believe that? Let's take a look here. Don't just buy Bitcoin, but earn it. BlockFi is the easiest place to buy, sell cryptocurrency. Sign up and start earning today. You can scroll down here. It says earn up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. Introducing the BlockFi Reward Visa Signature Credit Card, the world's first Bitcoin reward credit card. You're going to hear a lot about Bitcoin today. Credit cards are starting to give you rewards in Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about the three different cryptocurrencies that Elon Musk owns himself today. Let's scroll down a little bit here about the BlockFi. Earn more from your cryptocurrency. With BlockFi interest account, you can earn cryptocurrencies, can earn up to 7.5%. So there's all kinds of things going on. Instant trades, immediate interest, low cost. With the BlockFi trading, you can buy, sell, or exchange various cryptocurrencies at a competitive price and start earning interest the moment the trade takes place. I just think that's really, really cool that now when you do the little swipe and you buy your Chipotles or you go and you buy a leather jacket or something, you're earning rewards in Bitcoin. Right here, Yahoo Finance says, Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and Ted Cruz are among those criticized the planned crypto tax rules, which could help fund the infrastructure. So here's what they're saying here. Senator Ted Cruz and Tesla CEO Elon Musk criticizes a crypto tax in the Senate infrastructure bill. Mr. Musk calls the legislation very hasty, while Cruz says it's very dangerous. The plan would be a stunning loss. Also, the bipartisan Senate moves towards a vote on President Joe Biden's infrastructure package. The leaders from the Silicon Valley and Washington raises concerns about the provisions that would add new taxes on cryptocurrency. The infrastructure deal contains dangerous provisions. Do you hear that? Dangerous provisions that would devastate the crypto and blockchain, Ted Cruz said on Saturday. Tesla CEO Mr. Musk called the legislation hasty, saying now is not the time for lawmakers to pick in technology winners or losers. Kind of going right here, the bipartisan Senate bill last week included new tax rules for crypto trading firms and brokers. A move is expected to raise about $28 billion. That's why they want to pass this. In the new tax revenue over the decade. The White House said that the revenue would help President Joe Biden's infrastructure package. Jumping on the idea, they said the tax rules would apply to a larger than planned group of crypto companies, some of which wouldn't be able to meet the reporting requirements. The midweek 3 laws. I mean, it's just, there's a lot going on here in the Senate, cryptocurrency, all kinds of things that's going on. So with that, let's go ahead and check out the top 10. All right, in the top 10, we got Bitcoin at number 1. Basically, in the last 7 days, it's up about 8.82%. Now, in the last 24 hours, you're going to see a lot of red on the chart, but that's because cryptocurrency is up so much that, of course, it just can't keep going up. It's going to dip a little bit. So Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down about 1.82%. Ethereum is almost still at that 3,000. That's at 43,000 for Bitcoin. Ethereum is just slightly under 3,000. It's up 15% in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, it's down a little over 5%. Binance Coin in the last 7 days is down about 3.92%, and it's up about 2.2% in the last 7 days. Cardano, ADA, is rounding at number 5, up about 7.6% in the last week. In the last 24 hours, it's down a little bit. XRP is still up about 6.54% in the last 7 days, down about 4% in the last 24 hours. The Dogecoin moves up from number 8 to number 7. It's going to the moon, they talk about. Well, it's still up 17% in the last 7 days. It's trading at about almost 24 cents, 23.95 right now, almost 24 cents. In the last 24 hours, it's down 7%. Polkadot comes in at number 9. It actually has a little buy right next to there telling you about Polkadot. It's trading at about $19.16. It's up about 5.62% in the last 7 days. Uniswap's going to come in right there at number 10. Binance USD at number 11. And Bitcoin Cash is at number 12. Cryptocurrency in the last 24 hours is down about 4.11%. But there's just a lot of good things going on in cryptocurrency. Well, so let's see what Elon Musk, what does he own in cryptocurrency? Elon Musk reveals SpaceX owns Bitcoin and has no plans to sell. Okay, so we're going to talk about 3 different things here. So here we go. Mr. Musk has revealed that SpaceX has invested cash reserves in Bitcoin. Now listen to the amount. Also, from Tesla announced earlier this year that it bought $1.5 billion in cryptocurrency. This ain't no little purchase here. 1.5 billion with the big B. Like the Bitcoin, the big B. Also, on the conference on Wednesday, Twitter, Jack Dorsey and Mr. Musk also revealed that he also personally owns, these are the three cryptocurrencies that Mr. Musk owns. We know it's Bitcoin. He also has a smaller amount in Ethereum and a smaller amount in Dogecoin. So those are the 3. We talk about this on the channel all the time, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. But Mr. Musk himself owns the 3. SpaceX and Tesla only owns Bitcoin. So, again, we talk about Bitcoin a lot. Let's go ahead and take a look at, on Robinhood, what is the Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is at $43,000 in the last month. You can go and check that out, how it was down to 32,000 in the last week, where it was at. So I just wanted to share that with you. Also, I want to go over here to Ethereum. Talking about Ethereum. Right here, Ethereum's at 29,023. All right, so a lot of things going on in cryptocurrency. There's trying to pass bills in Senate about how to tax cryptocurrency. The miners are wondering what's going on with the taxes of the cryptocurrency. Mr. Musk himself doesn't like the idea, it sounds like. Mr. Musk himself owns 3 different cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin that's going to the moon. We hear about it all the time. So if you can go ahead and hit the like button over here and like our videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe and subscribe to our most recent videos, and you hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on anything. You know, our positive thing that we've been talking about is reading and putting positive things in your mind. Another thing is those calendars. You can see those positive calendars that every single day there's a positive something on it. You may want to go up to a bookstore or whatever, or go on Amazon and order. Get yourself something positive that every single day when you turn it, you start your day off with something positive. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, if you can go ahead and click right here to see our most recent video. And you guys have a great day.